Morning student, class 4 subject GK. I am your GK teacher. Now here we will discuss according to written point, as that you will see here one by one we will discuss. Yes my dear student, lesson number 18 to 19 we will discuss here in given picture related to, you will see here in this video we will discuss. Okay my dear student, one by one we will discuss. Now here see the observe. Now lesson number 18 in given video we will discuss is here historical. Okay, yes, some picture already given is here, you will see and observe. So one by one we will discuss. History has a given of India. In this lesson, history has given in India many heroes and heroines, you will see here. And yes, so from the various for of the life is, they will always remember to their bravery, and that you will see the given picture. Do you understand? Name all very famous image related is here. First of all, you will go now downside helping box, already written is here name. Yes, and coding should be write down is here. Yes, 37468521 should be write down numbering in helping box first of all, then match the picture and write down the name. First of all, you will see here one image here, very famous personality. Yes, yes, Shahjahan. Okay my dear student, you will see here Shahjahan. Second image, yes, you will see here Tipu Sultan with the helping list should be write down. Next, very famous personality. Third image related to here, you will go now third number in helping list. Yes, you will see here. Okay, Guru Gobind Singh. Okay, yes. Next, you will see here another picture, four picture related to name written in helping list. With the help of helping list should be write down to here. Okay, yes my dear student, Meera Why. Next image, you will see identify the given name with the help of helping list and identify the image. You will see the name is here Akbar, should be write down as it. Second, next is six image are here, you will see here. Yes, very famous personality Rani Lakshmi Bai. Okay, yes, you will write down here with the help of helping list. Next, seventh image, very famous personality, you will write down with the helping list. Name is here Shivaji. Okay, yes. Next and the last very famous picture, you will see here with the help of helping list should be write down here the very famous personality name in very famous in a history. Do you understand? Maharana Pratap. So should be write down as that my dear student. Yes, with the help of helping list should be write down under the, yes, recognize picture and identify. After identify, already name are here written, should be write down as that in your book with the help of helping list. Name already written is here. See the observe my dear student. Next, yes, so now here, did you know here one the comments already written, it was the Mughal Empire Shahjahan who made the beautiful Taj Mahal in the memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz. So yes, do you understand? Remember that? Yes, memory of, yes, beloved wife Mumtaz, famous monument. Yes, okay my dear student. Yes, the Taj Mahal is memory of the his wife. Okay, yes, beloved wife Mumtaz. Mughal Empire Shahjahan made the beautiful Taj Mahal beloved with Mumtaz. Memory of his beloved with wife Mumtaz. Okay, so very famous comment already written. Do you understand for your knowledge? Yes, my dear students. So yes, so always yes should be write down neat and clean. Name also given is here with the helping list. My dear students, see the observe. Next. Lesson number 19. Now in this lesson we will discuss Indian scientist name already written with the help of helping box list. First of all should we write down the numbering also here. Yes, 3, 5, 7, 1, 6, 2, 4, okay, and 8 as that. First of all write down, you will write down here in helping box numbering as that. You will see the here. Yes, now here so many image also recognize here. First of all you will read the comment in given picture. In front of given picture should be write down and identify the picture and then write down the proper name with the help of helping list. First of all, yes my dear student, here he was a, you will see he 1 minute, he was an Indian astrophysics, okay, astrophysicist, okay. So first of all he was the Indian astrophysicist. He invented the instrument to the measure the yes weight and pressure of the solar rays. So very famous personality, okay, astrophysicist, okay. The name is Meghnad Shah, okay, Meghnad Shah, the very famous name is here. So should be write down with the help of helping list numbering also written there. Second number you will see here, he is a known as the father of, yes, known as the father of, yes, research laboratories of the 26th September 1942 Council of the Scientists of the Industrial Research CSIR was the set up under the, yes my dear student, his chairmanship. Okay, the what is the name that personality? Shanti Sharu Bhatnagar, very famous name was that time. Now in present time also known as very famous personality, okay. So yes, next is third. Yes, you will see the picture, he was the physicist, okay. Now he showed that the plant, okay, and responded to various stimuli and this had the nerve system like that the animal. So who's that the famous compare to the another one each other plant and animal, and what the name was? Name is Jagdish Chandra Bose, okay. So yes my dear student, next scientist you will see he was the one of the Indian greatest mathematical, okay, scientist. Do you understand? Developing the many mathematical theorems, okay, theorems. So who's that now? Srinivas Ramanuj, very famous personality. Next you will see here fifth picture, he was a Indian born American astrophysicist. The who's that? He was the awarded 1983 Nobel Prize in Physics, okay, yes, Subramanya Chandrasekhar, the very famous personality. Sixth picture already here you will see he is a, okay, molecular biologist. He was the awarded the 1968 Nobel Prizes in Medicine Hargobind Khurana, okay. So you will see here next seven picture is here you will see the physicist won that 1930 the Nobel Prize is the physics for the work on the his, yes, yes, scattering of light, the C.V. Raman. Is that clear? You will see here, and the eighth picture already here you will see here, my dear student, is a considered the father of the nuclear scientist in India. He has established the atomic energy, okay, mission of the India 1948. So who's that? The very famous personality Homi J. Bhava. Okay, Homi J. Bhava. Is that very famous personality you will see here? So first of all you will see and observe now name is already written here as with the help of helping this should be write down under the yes written comment of in front of given picture Indian scientist picture. So my dear student, yes I hope all of you will complete the given work as it see the observe. So yes my dear student, yes with the help of helping list should be write down neat and clean very beautiful word we will use and write down neat and clean writing में बहुत सुंदर should be write down करेंगे as that okay you will do. Thanks to all.